Hi guys, welcome back to our channel BPO Coder. If you're new to this channel, then please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. So today, what we are going to see is the method to remove only specific initials from the name column. As you see over here, this is the names of the people, and I want to remove the initials, the specific initials like E, A, R, etc. So we are going to see how we are going to achieve this in the Power Query Advanced Editor, the M code. And this is the entire code over here. And we are going to achieve this. So as you see that when I clicked done, then we are getting this output, and it has removed all the specific initials which we have already inserted in the M query. If you like this video, then please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. For further videos, give some suggestions if you have, and if you want to see any of the more upcoming videos in the future. Thank you so much.